It is estimated that there are about 8.7 million different species of animals in the world. Among these species, there must be some that look so exotic that they don't seem real. Yes, these animals exist in nature. There are a lot of pictures of animals on the internet that look really cool, unique, and sometimes just plain ugly. In this video, we will show you 10 unusual types of animals that you can decide whether to believe or not. The lowland streaked tenrec, Hemicentete semispinosus, is a small mammal native to Madagascar. It belongs to the tenrec family, which is unique to the island and exhibits a variety of adaptations. Here are some key characteristics of the lowland streaked tenrec. Physical appearance. This species has a distinctive appearance, featuring a body covered with spines and fur. The spines are arranged in stripes along its back, which gives it its name. The coloration typically includes shades of brown and yellow, providing camouflage in its natural habitat. Size. The lowland streaked tenrec is relatively small, usually measuring about 25 to 30 centimeters, 10 to 12 inches, in length. Habitat. It primarily inhabits lowland rainforests and can also be found in other forested areas. The species prefers moist environments where it can find ample food and sheltered diet. The lowland streaked tenrec is an insectivore, feeding mainly on insects, worms, and other small invertebrates. Its foraging behavior often involves digging through leaf litter and soil. Behavior. This tenrec is known for its unique method of communication, which includes a range of vocalizations and the ability to produce sounds by rubbing its spines together, a behavior known as stridulation. Reproduction. The breeding season typically occurs during the rainy season, and females give birth to a litter of several young after a gestation period of about 2 months. Conservation status. While the lowland streaked tenrec is not currently listed as endangered, habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment poses a threat to its population. Overall, the lowland streaked tenrec is a fascinating example of Madagascar's unique biodiversity and evolutionary adaptations. Glaucus atlanticus, commonly known as the blue dragon, is a fascinating species of sea slug belonging to the family Glossidae. This marine gastropod is notable for its striking appearance, characterized by a vibrant blue coloration and unique, elongated body shape. The blue dragon typically measures about 3 to 4 centimeters in length and is found floating on the surface of warm ocean waters, primarily in the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. Its coloration serves as a form of camouflage, helping it blend in with the ocean's surface and evade predators. Glaucus atlanticus is a carnivorous creature, primarily feeding on jellyfish. It has a specialized feeding mechanism that allows it to consume its prey and then store the stinging cells, nematocysts, from jellyfish in its own tissues, which it can later use for defense against predators. In addition to its captivating appearance and unique feeding habits, Glaucus atlanticus is also known for its ability to float on the water's surface due to a gas-filled sac in its stomach. This adaptation allows it to navigate the ocean currents effectively. While the blue dragon is a remarkable example of marine biodiversity, it is important to handle it with care if encountered, as it can deliver a painful sting due to the nematocysts it retains from its jellyfish diet. The bush viper, belonging to the genus Athurus, is a group of venomous snakes found primarily in the rainforests of Africa. Here are some key details about bush vipers. Appearance. Bush vipers are known for their striking coloration, which can include vibrant greens, yellows, and browns, often with intricate patterns that provide excellent camouflage among the foliage of their rainforest habitat. Size. They are relatively small to medium-sized snakes, typically ranging from about 60 to 90 centimeters, 24 to 35 inches, in length, although some species can grow larger. Distribution. Bush vipers are primarily found in the tropical rainforests of Central and West Africa. They prefer humid environments with dense vegetation, which provides cover and hunting opportunities. Behavior. These snakes are arboreal, meaning they spend much of their time in trees. They are well adapted to a life in the canopy, using their prehensile tails to help navigate branches. Feeding. Bush vipers are ambush predators, primarily feeding on small mammals, birds, and lizards. They rely on their excellent camouflage to remain hidden while waiting for prey to come within striking distance. Venomous nature. Bush vipers possess potent venom, which they use to immobilize their prey. While their bites can be dangerous to humans, they are generally not aggressive and will often avoid confrontation if given the chance. Medical significance. Bites from bush vipers can cause significant pain, swelling, and other systemic effects, and medical attention is recommended if bitten. Breeding. Bush vipers are ovoviviparous, meaning they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. The number of offspring can vary depending on the species, with females typically giving birth to a small number of young. Status. The conservation status of bush vipers varies by species, but habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment poses a threat to their populations. Some species may be more vulnerable than others. Bush vipers are a fascinating example of the diversity of snake species in Africa, showcasing unique adaptations for life in the trees and a striking appearance that captures the interest of herpetologists and nature enthusiasts alike. The okapi, Okapia johnstoni, is a unique and fascinating mammal native to the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa. Often referred to as the forest giraffe, the okapi is closely related to the giraffe, despite its more compact size and distinct appearance. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the okapi. Appearance. The okapi has a striking appearance, with a body that resembles that of a horse and long legs with zebra-like stripes on its hindquarters. Its coat is a rich reddish-brown, which helps it blend into the forest environment. Size. Adult okapis typically stand about 1.5 to 2 meters, 4.5 to 6.5 feet, tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 200 to 350 kilograms, 440 to 770 pounds. Distribution. Okapis are found exclusively in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, particularly in the Ituri forest. They prefer dense, moist forest environments where they can find ample food and cover from predators. Behavior. They are solitary animals, often spending time alone or in small groups. Okapis are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the early morning and late afternoon. Feeding habits. Okapis are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers. They have a long, prehensile tongue that allows them to grasp and manipulate foliage, similar to that of a giraffe. Breeding. Female okapis typically give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 15 months. The young are born with a spotted coat that helps them camouflage in the forest, and they remain hidden for several weeks to avoid predators. Threats. The okapi is classified as endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and civil unrest in its native region. Deforestation for agriculture and logging poses significant threats to its habitat. Conservation efforts. Various organizations and conservation programs are working to protect okapis and their habitats, including the establishment of protected areas and anti-poaching initiatives. Relation to giraffes. Despite their different appearances, okapis and giraffes share a common ancestor and are part of the same family, Giraffidae. Genetic studies have shown that they are more closely related than previously thought. Cultural significance. The okapi is sometimes referred to as the African unicorn due to its elusive nature and the fact that it was not known to the Western world until the early 20th century. In summary, the okapi is a remarkable and unique species that plays an important role in its ecosystem. Its conservation is crucial for maintaining biodiversity in the rainforests of Central Africa. The thorny dragon, also known as the Moloch horridus, is a fascinating species of lizard native to Australia. Here are some key points about this unique reptile. 1. Physical characteristics. The thorny dragon is easily recognizable due to its spiky appearance. It has a body covered in thorn-like spines, which serve as a defense mechanism against predators. Its coloration typically ranges from brown to reddish, allowing it to blend into its arid environment. 2. Habitat. This lizard primarily inhabits the deserts and arid regions of Central and Western Australia. It is well adapted to survive in harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures and limited water availability. 3. Diet. The thorny dragon is an insectivore, primarily feeding on ants. It has a specialized feeding mechanism that allows it to consume large quantities of ants quickly. 4. Water conservation. One of the most interesting adaptations of the thorny dragon is its ability to collect and store water. It has grooves in its skin that can channel rainwater or dew directly to its mouth, allowing it to hydrate efficiently in its dry habitat. 5. Behavior. Thorny dragons are generally solitary creatures. They are known for their unique defensive behavior, which includes puffing up their bodies and remaining still to avoid detection by predators. 6. Reproduction. These lizards are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. The female typically lays a clutch of around 3 to 10 eggs, which she buries in the sand to protect them until they hatch. The thorny dragon is a remarkable example of adaptation and survival in one of the world's most challenging environments. If you have any specific questions or need more information, feel free to ask. The Dumbo octopus, belonging to the genus Grimpoteuthis, is a fascinating deep-sea creature known for its distinctive appearance and unique adaptations. Here are some key points about the Dumbo octopus. 1. Physical characteristics. The Dumbo octopus is named for its ear-like fins that resemble the ears of Disney's Dumbo the elephant. These fins help the octopus swim gracefully through the water. They typically have a soft, gelatinous body and can vary in color, often appearing in shades of pink, purple, or white. 2. Habitat. Dumbo octopuses are found in deep ocean waters, usually at depths ranging from 1,500 to 3,000 meters, 4,900 to 9,800 feet. They inhabit various oceanic regions, including the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. 3. Diet. These octopuses primarily feed on small invertebrates, such as crustaceans and other mollusks. They use their arms to capture prey and can also employ a unique feeding strategy by using their suckers to extract food from the ocean floor. 4. Behavior. Dumbo octopuses are known for their gentle and slow movements. Unlike many other octopus species, they do not have a strong ability to camouflage, so they rely on their deep-sea habitat for protection. 5. Reproduction. Female Dumbo octopuses lay eggs that are often attached to the seafloor. After hatching, the young are independent and do not receive parental care. 6. Conservation status. While there is limited data on the population status of Dumbo octopuses, deep-sea habitats are generally vulnerable to human activities such as deep-sea fishing and climate change, which can impact their environment. The Dumbo octopus is a remarkable example of the diversity of life found in our oceans, showcasing the unique adaptations that allow it to thrive in deep-sea environments. Hagfish are fascinating marine creatures belonging to the class Myxini. They are often referred to as slime eels, although they are not true eels. Here are some key points about hagfish. 1. Anatomy and appearance. Hagfish have elongated, eel-like bodies and lack jaws. Instead, they possess a unique feeding mechanism that includes a set of tooth-like structures made of keratin. They have a slimy, mucus-covered skin that helps them evade predators. 2. Habitat. These creatures are typically found in deep-sea environments, often at depths of 200 meters, 656 feet, or more. They inhabit cold waters and are primarily benthic, meaning they live on or near the ocean floor. 3. Feeding habits. Hagfish are scavengers, feeding on dead or dying marine animals. They can enter the carcasses of larger fish and consume them from the inside out. Their ability to produce large amounts of slime helps them escape from predators while feeding. 4. Reproduction. Hagfish have a unique reproductive strategy. They are believed to be hermaphroditic, possessing both male and female reproductive organs. However, their reproductive habits are not well understood due to the challenges of studying them in their natural habitat. 5. Ecological role. As scavengers, hagfish play an important role in the marine ecosystem by helping to recycle nutrients and clean up dead organic matter on the ocean floor. 6. Evolutionary significance. Hagfish are considered one of the most primitive vertebrates, providing valuable insights into the evolution of jawed vertebrates. They lack a backbone, which places them in a unique position in the evolutionary tree. 7. Conservation status. While hagfish are not currently considered endangered, their populations can be affected by overfishing and habitat destruction. Sustainable fishing practices are important to ensure their continued survival. The black rain frog, scientifically known as Breviceps fuscus, is a unique species of frog native to South Africa. Here are some important facts about this amazing amphibian. 1. Physical characteristics. The black rain frog is distinguished by its unique appearance. It has a round body, short limbs, and smooth, dark-colored skin that can appear almost black. This color helps him adapt to the environment. 2. Habitat. This species is usually found in the coastal areas of South Africa, especially in areas with sandy soils. They prefer habitats that include grasslands and scrub, where they can burrow deep into the ground. 3. Behavior. Black rain frogs are known for their unique behavior. They are mostly nocturnal and spend most of their time underground, emerging during the rainy season to breed. When threatened, they inflate their bodies to appear larger, which deters predators. 4. Breeding. Breeding usually occurs after heavy rains and the frogs lay their eggs in temporary pools. Shoots develop rapidly in these ephemeral water bodies. 5. Conservation status. The black rain frog is currently listed as vulnerable due to habitat loss and degradation. Conservation work is important to protect their natural habitats and ensure their survival. 6. Cultural significance: in some indigenous cultures, frogs are seen as symbols of fertility and transformation, and the black rain frog is no exception. The golden poison dart frog, scientifically known as Phyllobates terribilis, is one of the most venomous animals on Earth. Let me tell you more about it. 1. Appearance: the golden poison toad is easily recognized by its bright yellow or golden color, which serves as a warning to potential predators of its toxicity. They are usually 1.5 to 2 inches, 3.8 to 5 centimeters, long. 2. Habitat: this species is found in the rainforests of Colombia, particularly in the Chaco region. They grow in moist environments and are often found near streams and in leaf litter. 3. Toxicity: the golden poison toad is known for its potent skin toxins, including batrachotoxin. This toxin is so strong that it can be fatal to humans and is used by local people to poison the tips of shock arrows for hunting. Frogs get their poison from their diet, which includes some ants and other small invertebrates. 4. Behavior: these frogs are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They are known for their bright colors that serve as a warning to predators. Despite their toxicity, they are relatively small and can be prone to habitat destruction. 5. Reproduction: golden poison dart frogs engage in a unique reproductive strategy. Males call to attract females, and after mating, the female lays eggs in moist places. Then the males are taken to the ponds where they develop. 6. Conservation status: the golden poison frog is currently listed as critically endangered due to habitat loss, deforestation, and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are essential to protect their natural habitats and ensure their survival. 7. Cultural significance: the golden poison dart frog has gained attention in popular culture due to its striking appearance and extreme toxicity, often serving as a symbol of the rich biodiversity found in tropical rainforests. You can ask any question in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.